Hey everyone! So today I'm showing you how to take a screenshot on CapCut Mobile for Android. If you want to capture a specific frame from your video, CapCut has an official feature for this. Let's get started. Alright, first thing, open the CapCut app on your Android phone and load the project you're working on. You'll see your timeline with all your video clips. Now, here's the thing. There's no direct screenshot button in the timeline anymore like there used to be. So we need to use CapCut's frame capture feature. First, you need to export your video. Tap the export button at the top right corner. Choose your quality settings and export it. Wait for it to finish. Okay, once the export is done, go back to the CapCut homepage. You'll see all your projects and drafts here. Now tap on Tools or All Tools at the bottom of the screen. This opens a menu with different editing features. Look for Frame Capture or Screenshot and tap on it. This is CapCut's official screenshot tool. Select the video you just exported. It should be at the top of your gallery. Now drag the timeline slider to the exact frame you want to capture. You can scrub through frame by frame to get the perfect moment. Once you've found the frame you want, tap Capture or the camera icon, then tap Export to save the screenshot to your phone's gallery. And that's it! You've now taken a screenshot from your CapCut video. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.